In Part 7's RAG pipeline, we glossed over how retrieval actually works. This is the part underneath it: embeddings and vector stores. These two sentences share almost no exact words, but mean nearly the same thing. Keyword matching alone can't see that. That's where embeddings come in. An embedding model converts text into a list of numbers. That captures its meaning. So sentences with similar ideas end up numerically close.
Embed_query turns a single piece of text into its vector form, the same numeric representation used for every chunk you store. Vectors with similar meaning end up close together in this space, while unrelated ideas land far apart. That's the whole trick. A vector store is a database built specifically to hold thousands or millions of these vectors and search them quickly. Chroma.from_texts embeds every piece of text automatically, then stores the resulting vectors together in one searchable index. Similarity_search embeds your query, compares it against every stored vector, and returns the closest matches, here, the top two.
Chroma is great for getting started locally. FAISS is fast and in-memory. Pinecone is a managed option built to scale in the cloud.
Every piece we just built, embedding, storing, and searching, comes together into this one short, complete flow.
This is the exact mechanism behind Part 7's retrieval step. And it powers semantic search and recommendations far beyond RAG, too. Search isn't matching words anymore. It's finding the closest points in meaning space, exactly like we saw a moment ago.
Embeddings and vector stores are the retrieval engine behind RAG. Next, we'll cover getting your raw documents ready to feed into one.